Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Joy Oshoyomi, also known as Joy the Animator on social media. So this is Photoshop, some behind the scene on how I textured the horse. I created an effect recently. So this is Maya, where I rigged the banana. So I've positioned it on the head where I want it to be in the effect. So this is the texture for the apple too. So because I want the stalk and the leaf to move, so I had to rig it. It's also sculpted in Maya because I do not want the face to be masked by some parts of the apple. So as you can see in Effect House, the face is showing. This is the 3D scene. The environment is textured. Okay, so the next video would explain how to use the effect. This is made in Nigeria for you to ride to wherever. If you like to carry an apple with you, you're free to. If you want to carry a banana, you can see the icons on the screen. You want a banana, you want a mustache, just tap on it. So you can either go with an apple or a banana on this ride. So for this ride, let's do an apple. Free ride. Where would you like to go? Is it Oshodi? Is it Bakara? Is it Ojoelegba? Is it Ketu? Yanoworo? Wherever you want to go, all you just need to do is click on the video record button, and as you click on it, a horse is available for you. Let's go. Then when you want to switch between an apple and a banana, all you need to do is thumbs up. Once you thumb up.
5 days it is a route. I know go back, I know go from. I know you really to go back. I know you really to come. What to come gonna be this? I know go back, I know go from.